Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can download all media from WhatsApp auto download. Okay, so how you can do this, just follow my step, then you will learn. So first firstly we need to go WhatsApp. Here you can see the WhatsApp, the home page. Click on the icon button, and then we need to go three dot line, the right upper corner you can see here. So click on it, and here you can see the settings option. Okay, so click on the settings, then we need to go the four option. Okay, I will identify for you, storage and data. Click on it and scroll down, and here you can see, okay, so some option, media auto download. Okay, here is the option, you can change settings from this option. Okay, so here you can see media auto download. So firstly, when using mobile data, that means it works only for when you using your mobile data. So click on it. Okay, mobile data. So if you don't have enough megabyte or gigabyte, then you can choose just photos or audio, because they don't need a mass megabyte. Okay, I just do this. Okay, and the second option, when connected on Wi-Fi, click on it, and Wi-Fi there is a lot of unlimited megabytes, so you can use this all things. Okay, so photos, audio, video and documents. Then okay, so this is two option is important, the last one is not important, so you can use two option. So after that, when your friends send you any documents or file, photos, audio, video, then when if you use as a user of Wi-Fi, then the all files automatically saved. Okay, so that's the very simple tricks, so you can use it. Okay friend, today is no more, and please subscribe this channel, and if you have any comment, if you have any problem, so let me know. I will give you solution in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial.